Hey Star Wars fans, Jim here. I just received in the mail my Hyperdyn Vortex 3 voice changer. I ordered this on Monday and today's Friday, and it only took 5 days from the time I placed the order to the time it arrived. So that was very impressive. That was quite fast. So we're gonna unbox this and see what the contents are and give you a first look. First package out of the box, we have some UV cables and some headphone cables. Looks like a tiny button. I assume that's to control the finger touch controls, and an SD card. Next thing out of the box, headphones, of course. I went and ordered the full package from them. It was around $520 with everything, the jack, the module, the connections. I figured let's just get it all and have a good time. And lastly, in a static proof box, we have what appears to be the module. So let's take a look inside and see what we have. Vortex 3. There she is. Pretty small, pretty cool, pretty exciting. Looks like we have a little door here that can come off, exposing the internal parts. Looks like this box was definitely 3D printed. Has a little bit of a rough texture to it. Feels pretty durable, considering what we're going to be using it for. Hopefully it will, sustain the abuse that these can get when we're walking around. Looks like we have a little printed circuit inside here, a little 9-volt adapter, and a battery pack. Looks like we have a external AA 4 battery pack. Looks pretty nice. It's going to take a little bit of time to figure out how to use it, and I'm sure it's going to take me a lot of time to get to my standards that I like for my Vader voice, which is what I bought this for, to do the Darth Vader voice for when we costume. And lastly in the box, it's the Vortex 3 module Hyperdynelabs directions. A couple pages here. I'm sure there's more that I could probably get online if I run into anything or if I stumble into anything or have any questions. So that's everything for now. Next video, I will give you some basic tips on how I got it to work and how I got it to sound the way I want it to sound. I look forward to it. Should be pretty fun. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video.